I tuned into your the storytelling. I loved it.
Oh, the webinar, yeah.
Yeah.
The thing we've been doing for the last few years, it's called GLOW Webinars, which is an acronym for Genuine, Loving, Outstanding Women. And
Oh,
series of monthly webinars where we invite a speaker who is good in her field, who is a person of expert, and she comes and speaks about her area, and she also, tries to inspire and teach something for the women who have logged in and tuned in to listen. So it's just not storytelling and the new changes of COVID, and like there have been so many interesting topics. Like we've had people from United Nations, we've also had homemakers, we've also had people from a wide diverse background, and it's been sponsored by the Heartfulness Institute. Heartfulness Institute, you must be aware of the Heartfulness Institute.
no, what is it?
Oh, okay. So Heartfulness Institute is present in about, I think, 130 or 140 countries. It has a very global presence. And Heartfulness Institute teaches heart-based meditation. And they teach meditation for various factions of people, like for everybody basically. But we also have customized workshops for corporates, for school students, for university students, for communities. We have these meditation sessions in places of worship like churches and temples and so on. We also have meditation in non-denominational places. So we basically teach heart-based meditation where we meditate on the light, or we meditate on the love in the heart. So it's just a few minutes of meditation which brings people together in a very nice way, in a very loving way, to promote a space of community and unity and harmony, and to create love, which can happen when there is an inner balance, an inner peace, purity, poise. When it's there inside us, it will manifest outside. But when it is not inside us, what will happen outside, right? Like if I love you, I will express my love for you. But if there is nothing inside you, what can come out?
That's
Nothing can.
right.
So,
yeah.
So sorry, please go on.
I think I would like you to do a course here. That would be wonderful. I could get my, I could ask some members of the temple to join.
Oh,
And I think, because I think meditation is wonderful. It helps you to feel better too.
yeah.
Right?
So you would like to try meditation in the where, like in the temple, you mean? Sorry, I
Or
didn't
else
understand.
well, right now we'd have to do it over Zoom.
Yeah, no, but what did you say? Like who did you say?
I have a whole group of women in my synagogue that might be interested in joining, and some other women that I know. And I think it might be worthwhile to introduce it.
Yeah,
It's a different, you're coming from a different culture, but our hearts are the same.
exactly. Yeah.
Right? I mean, there's no difference on how we feel. If you have the compassion and the empathy, it
Yeah.
translates.
Yeah, that's exactly one of the mission statements of GLOW. Like we are looking to compassionately empower women. We are looking to spiritually empower women. There is this aspect of empowerment which is going around. It's not about power as an empowerment. It's inner harmony, it's balance, it's peace, joy, love. If we don't feel any of this, what use is any empowerment? Like if you have the power to do the right thing, then it makes sense,
That's
right?
right. You're right.
So if you have the power and you abuse it, like we know what's happening today with certain leaders, right? What use is power if it's not coming from the right space of the heart? So I think we caught it right. You have heard my heart. So yeah,
That's right.
so we can have sessions. We usually have 3 sessions or multiple sessions. We don't just stop with one session, because what we feel is one session is good. I mean, to begin with, even one session. I'm happy to do just one session if you want me to. But we actually believe that you should have I mean, it's not like you should have, we believe that it would be nice to have a regular weekly sessions, which also helps us to come together, as a community. And it also helps us to reinforce our practice, our meditative practice. It helps us to share our experience. It helps us to go deep. And we also think a repeated session with a trainer, a certified trainer, helps us to, ground ourselves better. So if you like, we can have multiple sessions, or we can also have single sessions. It's
I
completely your
think,
choice.
I think we should discuss it, Panima. I think it would be
Yeah.
worthwhile. We could blend your group with whatever group I can come up with.
Yeah.
If you want, so it would be like an integration of cultures and,
Yes.
and feelings and understanding for each other.
I agree. So would you like to meet the director of the Heartfulness Institute over another Zoom call?
Yes, I really
Maybe
would.
you're not obliged to meet him. I can still do a session on my own because I'm a
Oh, I'd
certified.
love to, honey. I
But
think that,
I feel if we want to have a very, ongoing relationship, we can have an official ongoing relationship, which if it will be useful for both of us, I can schedule a call between you, me, and him, and we could discuss some partnership, or we could discuss some future relationship. Of course, this is apart from the meditation. I'm always happy to have a meditation session with you and with your friends. So that's a different thing, but
yeah,
this is
I,
something I'm suggesting.
I'm open. I just started taking Feldenkrais, which is like an awareness of movement. You lay down prone on a mat that facilitates your movement. In other words, it's not like a yoga movement where you're in one place. This facilitates your turning and using basically, I guess, through your mind and suggestion, different bones and muscles of your body. And
Okay.
it's it's very liberating in terms of giving you agility and also making you see the world a little different, because
Okay.
you're shaking things up. You're not actually always moving your body in unison. Sometimes you might have it asimilar or discordant movement, where your brain really has to interact and understand what's being demanded of your body.
Hmm.
But I find it to be very liberating.
Yeah, I'm sure. We do some yoga too sometimes. We have I mean, you in India, nobody, I mean, today nobody needs an introduction to yoga, but for me, yoga is the go-to, and of course, meditation every day. But I totally agree with you that you need something to keep you grounded, to keep you going. So
Yeah, I think that's exactly what it does. It keeps you grounded and keeps you going, so that you have this a positive outlook on life, and
yeah,
you appreciate, like you said, what are the positives, and you keep compassion in your heart,
yeah,
because we're all human. People suffer. It's a tragedy what's happening,
yes, yes.
and
I
I know that we could get out of it if we all followed the rules. That, you're right. It has a timeline. You don't give the antigen, the virus a chance to propagate. You kill the virus. It's a very effective bug, and we're going to have to probably change our lifestyles, because we can't afford to have wildlife markets, and we can't afford to encroach on nature. So by doing that, we're going to prevent the planet from being more polluted and from warming further.
Yeah, you know, I'm just surprised you're mentioning this right now. I just read a New York Times article shared by one of my friends, and it was exactly this. You know, like you can't you can't forever keep on doing this because you know why do you sneeze? My friend said exactly this to me. You sneeze to remove an allergen from your nose or from your body, and if the earth starts sneezing, where would you be? Like, I mean, it's a living organism. It's a earth is thriving, throbbing, living, breathing, and it started to sneeze at places, right? Like, what is this? Tsunamis and volcanoes coming, and the temperatures are rising, and the temperatures are rising. COVID is happening, and life is not improving. Economies are crumbling, and earth is starting to sneeze and sweat and trembling. So you know you need to improve your inner space, otherwise I think whatever manifests will be what is it will be like this. So I'm actually very eager and very keen to you know have these sessions going on if we can start them quickly, and you can discuss with the team, with your friends, and I'm happy to do a single session or multiple sessions
All right.
as yeah we
I
can.
think it's a good idea because we're all really in the same, I think mentally in the same position. I know I'm in the same position with you.
Yeah,
I see that what we've done is terrible, and Mother Nature is complaining, and
I
Mother
agree.
Nature doesn't pick sides. It's like
It doesn't pick sides, exactly.